Okay, today's creation. We have some ribeyes, and they've been dusted with some hot Mexican chili powder, a little bit of ground thyme, and some Montreal steak. We have some onion rings and some garlic, and now we're going to pour in a beer.
All of it?
Mm-hmm. Ziplocky bag yet? Set it in the pot over there.
The pot?
Yeah. Set it in there to marinate. On their sides, not on their.
Oh.
I mean, kind of. Never mind. Maybe. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, like that. Let it sit there. All right, that'll sit in there for a while and marinate, and then we'll cook that for dinner. Okay. Campfire going. Jennifer's having some technical difficulties.
It's flat.
It's flat. All right. So what happened to your compressor?
It died.
It took a shit.
Yeah.
So no lockers?
No. But I went up the backside of John Pull, ran it backwards. I got stuck and you had to but drive it off of what I got stuck on.
Yeah.
And then from there, I
You
drove
drove
the
all
rest
the
of the way.
Yeah.
Most of it was gravity helping me, which was okay.
So tomorrow morning you're going to drive?
No, you're driving.
I'm driving?
Yeah, we're leaving mine here.
All right.
I'm not going to attempt it with no lockers going up.
All right.
No.
All right. All right. All right, well, we'll be cooking dinner in a little while. We'll have cooking with Jen and John, or what is it called?
Camp Cooking Creation.
Camp. Do it with it like it's pizzazz.
Oh. Camp Cooking Creations.
Whoa. Okay, got our steaks marinating. Jennifer's gonna get ready to start the rice. What kind of rice you got going there?
We have our rice running, long grain, and wild rice.
Yum.
And then it calls for water and butter, but you know, we're gonna use beer.
All right.
Because beer makes everything better.
Yummy.
So,
All right.
that on there. Every last drop.
You need butter.
Yes.
Don't you got to bring that to boil before you put the rice
They all
in?
go in at the same time.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then you bring it to a boil.
Okay.
But I can turn it on.
No, I was just asking. Go ahead and I'll let you.
Yes, we need butter.
How much?
1 tablespoon of butter.
Look at the lines.
So the amount that I was doing. The secret seasoning. Alright.
And how long does that take?
It takes 25 to 30 minutes. Of course, we're at elevation, so I'm sure it'll probably take a little longer.
It's probably going to take 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, set your timer if you got one.
Together.
And we'll show you what it looks like in a few, maybe 15-20 minutes. Us standing there close to the fire makes the smoke come in.
I know. Okay. Taking out the steaks.
That we've been soaking here for a couple hours.
Those are some big steaks.
Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds good.
That does.
Okay, we'll give those about 6 minutes on that side, and then we'll flip them over.
All right.
Can you smell those steaks?
I smell those steaks.
How they smell?
They smell, I was going to say F, but you know, I was keep it clean. They smell awesome.
Hey, thank you. It's okay to get naked, but you can't cuss.
Ha!
It is in the high 20s. Maybe it'll get down to the, well, it says tomorrow it'll be in the teens. But today I think it's supposed to be in the mid 20s tonight. So we're probably in the high 20s right now. It's pretty chilly. But we got a nice roaring fire. Got the lantern going. We got the Mr. Buddy heater going. So, are you cold?
No, I'm toasty.
Yeah, we're not too bad, huh?
Yeah, we got a little cave going.
Yeah, we got our little, we put walls on our, to help with the breeze. So we added a couple of walls here on our tarp setup. And that helps the breeze. But it does make it a little more difficult with the smoke. You got to really pay attention to the fire. But that fire's putting off some heat, I'll tell you what. It's kicking. Alright, well, we're going to, I think I got about 2 more minutes on them steaks. And I'm going to give them a flip and I'll show you the other, what they look like. Alright? Peace. Okay, 6 minutes. We're going to give them a flip. Those look and smell delicious. So give them another 6 minutes on this side. That should be a good medium rare steak. Okay, now let them rest. And while they're resting, we'll do the onions and the mushrooms. Alright, 6 minutes aside. Yeah, they feel really good. We'll let those rest over here on a plate. Now, I'm gonna, here, wanna hold this?
Yes. Woo! It's like a fancy restaurant. mushroom pieces and stems.
Alright, let that go about 5 or 6 minutes and we're ready to eat.
The piece de la resistance.
Alright, we'll let that cook for a little while.
Okay.
What did that guy say today? I didn't look like I missed too many meals.
Well-deserved meal.
That's a meal.
Yeah, it is.
Onions, mushrooms, rice, steak. Alright, let's eat.
Let's eat.
I think Ryder's already ready for the bones.
Right?
You ready to dig in?
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, let's eat. Looks yummy.
I'm so hungry.
Gotta be hungry enough to eat a horse to have that.
Right?
Dang.
I don't know if I'm going to finish this, though.
Yeah, we might be having some of this for breakfast. Alright, well, I'm gonna dig in. But that's our steak.
Okay.
Is that just fat for the dog?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, I'm gonna dig in. Nice and pink. That's perfect. Oh, yummy. Well, we're throwing in the towel. Looks like steak and rice for breakfast.
Works for me.
Oh, that was so good.
Oh my god. That's big steak.
Ryder says, I'm not done. I'll take some more. I'll take some more scraps.
Right?
A scrapaholic. Yeah, that was a big steak.
Yeah.
You couldn't eat the whole thing?
I couldn't.
Nah, too much for
No,
you.
it was a lot. But it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
It got really good.
Nice marinating it.
Oh my god, and the beer and the rice?
It was good.
Definitely a different flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. It was like creamy too.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Yeah, we'll have to try that again at home.
All right. Over and out, Roger and Daughter.
And the potty goes.
And that's it for
Tonight.
what's it called? The show?
Oh, Camp Cooking Creations.
Yeah. Alright, for breakfast, I've sliced up small chunks of the steak with leftover rice and onions and mushrooms. I'm going to fry that up, maybe add a couple eggs, and that'll be our morning breakfast, a fry. And then we're off to do John Bull again.
Yeah, but only in your Jeep.
Yeah, because you blew
And
your,
the locker.
no lockers, blew your, finally killed your Vair.
Yeah.
It died.
It just died.
You killed it. So go ahead and add a couple eggs here. Uh-oh. There we go, 3 eggs. That should do it. I'll cook up the eggs a little bit and we'll have a scramble for breakfast. Breakfast is served. Steak and egg scramble. Alright, we better get after it before it stops steaming. Yum, yum, yum. Some tapatio and we're good to go.